Here's how to permanently turn off live photos on your iPhone. Now, if you have the camera open on your iPhone, you can see at the top right the little live photo button. If you don't see that, just tap on those 6 dots and you can see live is on. However, if I tap on it to turn live off with the line through it, it'll just turn back on immediately next time I open my camera. But we can stop that from happening. So you need to hop out of the camera and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down and tap on Camera midway down. And then scroll down and tap on Preserve Settings. From here, scroll to the bottom and you can see Live Photo. Preserve the live photo setting rather than automatically reset it to turned on. So turn this on, but you're not done yet. You then need to open up the camera. And one last time, tap on those 6 dots at the top right. And if live is on, you need to tap on it to turn it off. And now every time you open up the camera on your iPhone, it will be disabled permanently. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.